shop again, and today we're tuning a 95 Cobra. It's got a Vortech blower on it, 60-pound injectors, so you know, it's got a fuel pump in it on 93. It's 5 liter, so we're going to try to make somewhere around 400 horsepower probably with it. Just nice, safe, try not to scatter it. And so we're going to take you along for the ride, so let's start it up and see what we got. Damn, camera fell off windshield. This car's starter needs a starter mat. Alright, so we've got the car up to temp, and we're getting ready to make our first initial little pull on it. Alright guys, so we're still working on this 95 Cobra Vortech car. So using SCT, obviously got to use the chipper. So we're working on that. We've made a couple little pulls so far. So we're going to try to make some full pulls, probably this pull right here. And let's see what we're working with. Alright guys, so we just finished up with this Mustang. We are going to pull the dyno up here, and let's see what it made. Alright, so it made it'll focus. Well, made 409 horsepower. So that's pretty good for what it is. That's just a stock motor, like I said, with a Vortech. So Billy J back there making a bunch of noise. But yeah guys, so that's going to be it for now. The customer wanted to make 400, so 409 is pretty good. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks guys. Have a good day.